Hey friends, how are you? Welcome to Backspace. In today's step-by-step tutorial, I will show you how to add a 1-inch page border in Microsoft Word quickly and accurately. Page borders are commonly required for school assignments, official documents, projects, certificates, legal papers, and exam submissions. Many institutions specially ask for a 1-inch margin border, and this video explains exactly how to do it this right way. Whether you are a student, teacher, or other office professional, this tutorial will help you to meet formatting requirements with confidence. So let's get started. Now you want to add this 1-inch border, you can go to design menu and here the page border option. We can see here many page border. Now I am select this wide option and select this one PT. Then click the all side. You can edit the border on the top, otherwise left or right. Now I am add all. Click OK. Then we can see here the page border is 1 inch. Your documents is not as a inch, otherwise here centimeter or other format. You can make the inch format. Go to the file menu. Then go to more and click this option. Then go to the advanced option, then scroll down some down, and here the show measurements units of these inches. Here centimeters, millimeters, points or picas added. Now I am select this inch and click OK. Now you make sure that border is 1 inch. I hope you understand this process. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe my channel to get the next video very soon. Thanks for watching.